Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Learn Technology in 5 Minutes by MakerDemi. This is Mridul and I am part of the instructor team at MakerDemi. In this video, we will learn to implement an IoT project using the Arduino Nano RP2040 Connect board and the Arduino IoT Cloud platform. Before proceeding with this video, I suggest you to watch our previous video to get an overview of the Arduino IoT Cloud. Arduino IoT Cloud is a cloud application that helps makers build connected objects in a quick, easy and secure way. Let us configure the Arduino IoT Cloud with Arduino Nano RP2040 to read the onboard 6-axis IMU readings on the dashboard. The first step of getting started with Arduino IoT Cloud is signing into Arduino IoT Cloud. A project in the Arduino IoT Cloud is referred to as a thing. A thing can be created by just clicking the Create Thing button. We will now rename it with IMU data reading. In the Thing Setup section, we can choose which device to use, which Wi-Fi network we want to connect to, and create variables to monitor and control. Under the Setup section, the first thing to do is to configure and associate a device. So we will click on the Selector device to connect an Arduino manufactured device. We will choose Setup an Arduino device. For the device setup to complete, ensure that you have the plugin pre-installed in your system. Let the system detect and configure the connected device on its own. After that, add a name for your device and later associate the configured device with your thing. The next step under the Setup section is to add the variables. For this thing, we want to show 3 variables of float data type with the names x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. There are a lot of data types available for users to choose for a variable. Also, choose the variable permission and variable update policy as per your requirement. We will choose read only as the variable permission for this project and on change as the variable update policy. After providing all the details, click on Add Variable. Similarly, a total of 5 variables can be created inside a thing under the free plan. As we have associated the device and have added the variables to the thing, we will move to the last step under the Setup section. Now we need to configure the network. For that, click on the Configure button under the Network subsection. Here, enter the SSID and password of the Wi-Fi you want the board to connect to. After providing the Wi-Fi credentials, click on Save. Now that the setup of the thing is done, let us move on to the Sketch section. When you go to the Sketch section, you will find a predefined architecture of your code. Cool, isn't it? The Arduino IoT Cloud has automatically generated this code as per the board you have associated and the specified variables and the Wi-Fi credentials you have saved in the Setup section. Now to read the data from the IMU, we need the Arduino_LSM6DSOX.h library. So we will include the library manually. You will also find Arduino Cloud.update function call inside the loop function. This function will take the updated values from the board and transfer those values to the cloud and vice versa. We will write the code in the loop function for reading the data through the IMU. You can find the link to the INO code file in the video description. After completing the code, upload the code to the board. In this section, you can check for errors in the code and monitor the upload status of the code on the board. Once the program has been uploaded successfully, let us move to the serial monitor section. If it fails to connect, it will print the errors. After that, it will show the readings of the X, Y and Z axis respectively. You can see that as I move the board, the value of the axis changes. Now the last step is to configure the dashboard. There are 2 modes in the dashboard. One is the View mode used to interact with the widgets and the other is the Edit mode where you can add, remove, resize and configure the widgets. So we will select the Edit mode and add a gauge widget. After naming the widget, we will link it with the associated variable and provide the minimum and maximum values. Similarly, there are multiple types of widgets provided by Arduino IoT Cloud for a more visually interactive experience. After adding the widgets as per your needs, switch to View mode and power on the board. You will now be able to see the values through the widgets. The dashboard can also be monitored and managed by your mobile phone by downloading the Arduino IoT Cloud Remote mobile application. This feature allows access to check data and remote sensor monitoring from anywhere in the world. That is all folks. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell to be updated about our future video releases.